Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Kahoot quiz game account. So let's get started. So if you want to create a Kahoot quiz game account, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your browser. So select any browser that you like. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for kahoot.com. And after searching for that, you will direct it to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on login. So if you don't have an account, then what you can do is just tap on sign up for free. So here you will find this option, just tap on sign up free. So after tapping on that, just simply tap on accept all cookies. So after tapping on accept all cookies, now what you have to do is just simply choose your account type. So if you want to have a professional account, teacher account, student or family and friends account, just select one of those. And after selecting that, now what you have to do is just simply enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, now what you can do is just tap on continue, and after tapping on continue, now you have to create a username for your account. So just simply create a username that you like. After creating that, just tap on continue. So now in order to create the account, what you have to do is just simply enter your email address and then create a password. So just simply enter the email address and then create a password for your account. So after doing that, what you can do is just simply tap on sign up. But before tapping on sign up, just check this option, which is I wish to receive information, offers, recommendations and updates from Kahoot. So just simply check this option and then tap on sign up. After tapping on sign up, now it will recommend you to take a subscription, but if you don't want a subscription, then what you can do is just scroll down, and here you will find this option, which is basic account, and it's for free. So just tap on continue for free, and after tapping on continue for free, here you can see guys, you have successfully created your Kahoot account. So in this way you can also create your Kahoot quiz game account. So that's it guys, this is how to create Kahoot quiz game account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.